What would it be like if you started this business and within 30 days, potential clients and cleaners looked at you like you were the best option by a mile? Is that real talk? Or is this just fantasy? Well, in this video, you're gonna have a clear answer on how you can do that for your business, even if you have zero experience. You are also gonna have the answer to these 3 powerful questions that are probably already in your head. Starting with question number 1, can a total beginner actually start a cleaning business and dominate without experience? Like for real? Question number 2, how do you get clients and cleaners to chase you when you have no experience and nothing set up yet? And question number 3, what would I need to have in place to get everything set up so I can start landing contracts right out of the gates? Now, before we dive in, if you haven't grabbed your free copy of the $5,000 per month client playbook, then click the second link in the description below. Get your copy today. Now, let's get to business. Starting with question number 1, can a total beginner actually start a cleaning business and dominate when you have no experience? Now, most people think that you are screwed if you don't have experience, or that it's gonna be a real uphill battle. They think that clients won't take you serious, that you're gonna need years in the game before you can start landing real contracts. Well, when I started my second cleaning business, I had that exact same fear. And I kept thinking, who is going to hire us? We're nobody. We just moved to this state and we don't know a soul. So because of that, I felt discouraged. I was afraid to take even the simplest actions because I didn't want to look completely silly. And then I talked to one of my early business mentors, his name was Landon, and he said something I'll never forget. He said, Mike, no one needs to know you're brand new, only you. People don't choose a company based on time in business. They choose the one that gives them the most confidence that they're going to be taken care of. You see, that idea, that changed everything for me. So here's what he told me to do next, and this is what I want you to do as well. Here are your actionable steps that you can take right now. Number 1, pick a name that's short and simple. Doesn't sound like just another boring company out there. Number 2, build a clean, clear website that doesn't have any bells and whistles. Just make it easy to understand, and you just want people to know how to get in contact with you. Then the next thing is, number 3, I want you to decide what you want. Churches, call centers, law offices, whatever. And when you have that, just get clear on what they're actually looking for in a cleaning company. Now, this may seem like a lot, but it doesn't take months. It takes 1 or 2 focused afternoons of just getting really intentional. Once we got it dialed in, contracts started coming in left and right. And this happened even though we were brand new and we didn't know anybody and that we had no reputation. People trusted us. And that's because we gave them confidence. Now let's talk about question number 2. How do you get these clients and cleaners to chase you when you have no experience and nothing's set up yet? See, what I'm about to tell you right now is going to be a major pattern interrupt. Forget the noise you hear everywhere else. Make them beg. Yeah, I know how that sounds. You're probably thinking, wait, what? You expect people to beg to work with me? Dude on the internet, you lost your mind. Let me tell you how we landed our first major commercial contract, Mercedes-Benz, $6,800 per month. See, I sent in our proposal feeling very confident. We had really hit it off on the walkthrough. He's laughing at my jokes. I'm like, all right, we're on to something here. See, I felt really good. I thought we were going to win based on that rapport, and then I priced it fairly, gave the proper hours. I thought I gave it our best shot. But do you know what happened? The guy lost his mind. I got an email the next morning that went a little something like this. Are you insane? No one's going to pay that much for cleaning. This is more than 3 times what we're currently paying right now. We don't need the white glove treatment. If you want us as a client, then you need to come back to reality. And I'll be here when you do. Ouch. How does that feel coming from a potential dream client? Well, my wife and I started second guessing everything because we were brand new and we thought we blew it. But instead of panicking and giving in and underpricing our services like most, my wife and I responded calmly. We explained exactly what made us different, how we operated, and how we cared for our clients, and why our pricing was more than fair based on their location and what they told us they needed. Then we polished up that email and then we pressed send. Then silence. See, we knew for sure at that point we blew the deal. But then 30 days later, the same guy emailed us and he said, hey, Mike and Jess, if you're still interested in working with us for $6,800 per month, then we're ready to move forward. And we said, yes. Absolutely. So here's the lesson. People don't chase you because you're the cheapest. They chase you when your messaging is clear. And our message was clear. You are going to feel this increase in cleaning investment every single month because we're going to do that great of a job for you. See, that, my friends, that doesn't require experience. It requires positioning. Your job is to show up with confidence, speak like a real business, and deliver for them like you're the best already in town. Last but not least, question number 3, what would I need to have in place to get everything set up so I could start landing contracts right out of the gate? Now, I want you to think about it like this. There's a pre-client phase and a post-client phase. And the pre-client phase, well, that's kind of the easiest one of them all. And why is that? Well, that's because you don't have clients yet. You don't have money coming in, so you don't need a full-blown company. You just need a starter kit that makes you look ready. But most beginners come in panicked because they think, well, I need my LLC, insurance, a team, equipment, uniforms, business cards, pamphlets. I need it all. But here's the truth that I learned. To land your first contract, which is all that matters right now, you don't need any of that. See, when I was starting out, I had a very tight budget. I was overwhelmed by that very checklist I just named above. So I called a mentor of mine and he said, Mike, you just need one client. Everything else can come after that signature. And you know what? He was right. So here's exactly what you need to get ready to start landing your first contract. Some of this I've already mentioned, but you need that business name. You need a simple tagline that speaks to your promise. You need a clean website. Again, I mentioned that previously, but it's very important. You need a list of target clients. Who are you going after? Churches, dealerships, whatever you're going after. And then you need a marketing strategy that's persuasive enough to make those kinds of clients want to work with you. That's it. You don't need 3 months of setup. You can be ready to pitch clients within a few days, maybe a week or 2. But you have to stop overcomplicating it. All right, at this point, you're probably thinking, Mike, sounds good, but how do I actually do this stuff? I'm a little bit overwhelmed. I have a beginner course for you. It's 100% free. I don't want $1 from you, but it's going to help you get started. If you want it, comment launch below. I'll see that my team gets it to you. So here's where we're at. You have 2 major choices. Now you can take everything I gave you and go at it yourself. You can go with the free course. You can go start making it happen. Learn the hard way. And eventually you'll get there if you're consistent. Choice number 2. You can let me and my team help you do this the fast way. We can show you exactly how to get this set up, land your first clients, and blow up in 30 to 90 days. Most likely 90 or a little bit after. But if that sounds good, then I want you to click the second link below, chat with my team, no risk call, see if it makes sense to work together. And if you do it today, there's also a big bonus involved, which my team will let you know about. So if that sounds like you, click the first link in the description, pick your time to chat, and then we'll go from there. For everyone else, if you're just like, Mike, I'm not ready for all that. I need to know a little bit more about getting clients first. Watch this video right here. I'm already there. I'm waiting for you. Just head over there and let's talk over there.